what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing the song on the ukulele. If you guys haven't yet, go check out the guitar version of this. But let's start off with learning the chords. So first chord we're going to use is a G. Second chord is going to be an A minor. And now the third chord that we're going to use is the E minor. Alright, so first chord was G. Now this one we can actually use, if you really listen to the song, you're going to hear like a G major 7. That one is pretty easy. We're just going to bar here, these three, and leave this top open. So that actually sounds a little better. So you can use G major 7 to A minor and E minor. Or if you want to go G, A minor, E minor. Doesn't really matter. But here is the strum pattern that I'm going to be using. So I'll do an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one starting on, I'm going to use G major 7. We're going to go down and then tap the strings or mute the strings. So down, and then you're going to go up twice and then tap the strings. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing for A minor. Alright, so for each chord you're going to do that strum pattern twice, and this is going for the main chorus, the verses, the intro, main chorus, all that. So here goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we got the pre-chorus. That is where the E minor comes in. As for down, it's just gonna go down strum. Then you can go to G major 7. So the timings for that, it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then again. And that's pretty much it. Then it goes back into. So again, it goes 1, 2. Can't sing and play at the same time, but so don't forget to check out the guitar version of this. I'll have the video around here somewhere. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, leave a comment that you guys of the song that you guys want, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.